Sam here with jbugs.com. Happy New Year, and thank you to all of you, as a few weeks back, our channel reached 1 million views, and we now have over 8,000 subscribers. When we first started making these videos, we had no idea that they would be so well received. We're humbled, and we'll do our best to keep them coming. With 2019's arrival, we wanted to give you all an idea out there what we have going on in our shop, and what to expect for this coming year. The 1963 Resto Custom Beetle is still in the midst of bodywork, and its owner's been driving it around a bit during that process. The 1971 Eurolook Beetle is still here, and with the engine rebuilt, we'll get to work on the car itself. We plan on pulling the body off the pan before paint and bodywork goes, so you can look for those videos in the future as well. We have some videos being wrapped up, including the first start-up of our 1800cc stroker engine, which we built for the Eurolook Beetle. And at the moment, we have a 1966 Beetle in the shop, which we completely rewired, and that series of videos will be coming out soon. Our last video was a bloopers reel, which you all seem to like. We'll release another one once we gather enough footage, but don't expect one soon. We don't produce bloopers, we just happen to catch some mishaps here and there. That being said, like you, we're only human, so don't lose heart when working on your own restoration. To wrap it up, again, we want to thank you all for watching. We hope you'll enjoy our upcoming videos, and as always, you can head to jbugs.com for all the parts and accessories you'll need for your vintage VW.